All right, what's up, family? This your boy, Uncle Pappy. Just showing you guys. Look, before we go on, see me, but watch this. I want you to watch right here. Right here, this is a live trade. As you can see, it's jumping around 448 pips, 447. See, I'm glad. I like doing my videos when I'm in a trade, because what happens is that, number one, and I understand why people do it. It's nothing personal. I get it. But what happens is when you show your results on what you do, people call you a fake, a phony, or this and that. I ain't got no Lamborghinis in the driveway and showing sexy girls and this and that, because my wife would divorce me if I did. But anyway, the point is that I want to show you guys the trades that you can take using our triple arrow system. It's extremely simple, especially when you're using the 4-hour charts. Here's the reason why. As you can see right here, this is a live trade. This is the GBP CAD. This is the 4-hour chart, as you can see. And by the way, this indicator, I'm just giving you a free one. It's free. If you go into your Play Store or your Market Store, at the bottom of your MT4, at the bottom of your MT4, it'll show you, your trade button, and it'll show you all your trades you're in and stuff like that. If you go over a few tabs, there's a button there that says Marketplace. If you go in there and type in Info Plus, it'll pop up this indicator, and it's actually free, and it'll give you plenty of information if you are in multiple positions, blah 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 blah, whatever you want to know, it'll do that. But anyway, as you can see, this thing is literally moving, and I am, yes, up 440 now. See, 449 pips on this trade. As you can see, all I did was I got right in on the triple arrows on the GBP CAD. It's right here, and I waited, and it dropped in my favor. Let me show you another trade that I'm in live right now. This one is the GBP Swiss, and same thing, triple arrows. Now these kind of went flat because the market went sideways for quite a while, and then it ended up dropping, and as you can see, I'm currently up 79 pips on this trade. And so this happens all the time. This is what, if you want to trade this one, let me show you this. See, triple arrows was right here. It went up and boom. And how many pips is that? Let's check and see. From there, let's just say from there to there, or let's just say from here, that was 518 pips. Let's go back to the GBP CAD. Okay, let me show you something. You can clearly see this all day long. Look at this. Triple arrows, what did it do? It dropped. Triple arrows came in, bought, come back in. Triple arrows, then it's dropped. See, it's not rocket science with our system. A lot of people are getting caught up in, the levels, level 1, level 2, market makers moves, and all these different things, and I get it. I trained under that stuff. I understand what you're talking about, Elliott waves, and all these different methodologies, and drawing trend lines, and retracement levels, and blah 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 blah. Here's what happened to me. It confused the heck out of me. I want to use another word, but God, thank you for holding my tongue. The point is that it was confusing me way too much, so I had to design a system that was so simplistic that I could understand. But I'm sharing it with you guys that this is one of the systems that you'll get when you actually start trading with us, because I will, and actually you're actually going to get a secondary trading system as well. I'll never show that one because it's none of your business until you pay. But nevertheless, and look at that, see, 450 pips. See, this is still counting. That's why I always do my videos live when I'm on these charts, so nobody can sit there and say that I'm lying and making things up. No, we just have a simplistic system. When we see our triple arrows, guess what? They get in. It's really that simple. I'll show you how we set it up. It's right here, triple arrows. Crossing of our moving averages that we use, candle close right here, we jumped in and it just went on down. Same thing right here. Triple arrows, this candle closed above our moving averages, and boom, they crossed up and then they went in. Triple arrows, boom, candle closed below our moving averages, they crossed right here and we got in. See, it's all day long. Look, I'm gonna pull this back, you'll see it again. There you go. If I pull this up a little bit, let me show you that. All day long, same thing, over and over and over. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let me pull this over. Oh, I gotta take this off, sorry. Boom, triple arrows right there. That's the one I want to show you. See, triple arrows, boom, boom. Cross the moving averages, candle closed above, and we hop right into the trade. And you can see this all day long. See, there we go again. Boom, boom, and it went down. See, all day long. Look at this. Boom, 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 all day long. How many times you want me to show you this? Look at this one. Boom, boom, boom. All day long. See, and here's the deal. This is just one pair. You understand what I'm saying? This is just one pair. This is the GBP CAD. So the truth of the matter is, you can do this all day long with any pair you choose. Look at that. Boom. Boom. There you go. So, you know, no big deal. We just, you know, now we don't always do it on the 4-hour charts. I'll tell you that. We try to find shorter time frames if we could and jump in on those. I'll show you an example of that. So here goes where the market spiked. I don't really like that. When I see this big old spike, I don't really like it. It worked out, but you know, you could do it. Sometimes I will if I see the market calming back down. This is a news event. Took tons of people's money right here. Boom, shot up, and then what did it do? And that's another thing, just a little side note, because again, when I'm doing my videos, it's not just to sit there, promote, whatever, because whether you buy my system, don't buy it, don't really matter. It's okay. I get it, because some of you guys, you don't spend so much money on other stuff. You're tired of spending on systems, and that's cool. So don't worry about buying it if you don't feel comfortable. But I'm just going to use this as a teaching moment, okay? A teaching moment. The truth of the matter is that sometimes, you know, you could be right, but you end up being wrong. Not because it was you, but because a news event like this, it took you clean out. But you, right here, the triple arrows told us, okay, yeah, they shaking and baking, but come on now, they're going to straighten back up. And normally what happens is that they'll pull a big move in the opposite direction, clear all kinds of money. Because up here is a lot of pending orders, stop losses, and all kinds of, so there's millions of dollars just sitting right there, and they spike that candle up, wipe everybody out, and then they resume the pattern. See what I'm saying? As you can see, they took off. Buyers, oh, buy, and then everybody, oh, it's going up, and boom, everybody start buying in, and then those who knew it was a sale, they end up taking you out at the same time. So it's like a twofer. A twofer. You gotta laugh sometimes. It's a twofer. That's what I call it, a twofer. It's a 2-for-1. What they did was they knocked out all the sellers who were prepared for the reversal, but they also induced or did a con job on the buyers and had them going, and they took out both with one whop. So millions of dollars just got wiped out, but then the triple arrow system said don't fall for that. And then all of a sudden, guess what? Boom. So you had that, boom, 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 and it resumed its pattern. And there we go. Yeah, I know y'all seeing this over here. I know you seeing that over there. You think I ain't see you trying to look? I seen you looking. Here goes a smooth, beautiful setup. Look at that. This is pristine. This is the Mona Lisa right here. See, real calm movement. You have the triple arrows crossed right here, and boom, it shot on up. And then you have the triple arrows, and it fell down. See, this is all day long. It's all day long, all day long. We spot them and we trade it. We spot them and we trade them. We spot them and we trade them. Every once in a while, this even happens to us. And so therefore, I was telling my group, because I do have a private Telegram group that comes with our services. It's right here. Let me pull that down because some of y'all knows you're trying to read our stuff. Then you're going to pause the video, try to play it back. Let me see what they were talking about. It's none of your business. Join the group. But anyway, we have a fun group. But the point is, I was telling them there's a reason why I don't trip off of when I actually do lose. Because most of the time when we lose a trade, which is very far and in between, but most of the time it's because of something like this. There's just nothing you can do about that. Nothing you can do about that. You want to put in a protective order to protect your account so it won't get blown out. But majority of the time, we jump right back in later on. But why? Because we wait for the reset. Because hey, there's some foolery going on up in here. Okay, the market makers is doing some foolery. They already know the direction of where it's about to be a reversal, so they'll spike real hard and start taking people money. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, they'll pull some foolery and do a con job. This is a pair that you could trade. It's not a fan of mine because see, I don't trade this crazy stuff right here. I look for smooth moving pairs. Boom, here goes one. See? You would have seen that beautiful thing. Look at that beautiful hot mama right there. Ooh, she's sexy. Ooh, she hot. Look at that. Beautiful. Just, oh my goodness. Just a Mona Lisa. Look at that one. See? GBP. Look at that. What you see? Right there. Rainfall. Okay? So again, this is what we do. We look for these and then we trade it. Okay? Here goes one right here. Okay. Boom. Right there. I hopped in a little bit late, but it's working out. It'll work out. No big deal. So anyway, just want to kind of share this with you guys just to let you know what we do and how we do it. It's not rocket science. It's pretty cool if you know. And see, here's 444. So that's why I like playing this one. Again, this is a perfect setup to show you what's going on. Look at this one here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I ain't even gonna tell you which one that is. Yep, it ain't showing you. That's why I jumped in this one. I ain't showing y'all which one it is. You just gonna join the group and then you'll realize, oh my God, look at this. Now let me show y'all something. Look at how far that thing ran from the last time. Pretty as I don't know what. Right there, crossover, and look how many pipperoos. Let me shrink it just a bit. Let me shrink it just a bit so y'all can see this one. Okay. No, it ain't showing which pair. Good. Join the group if you want to know what pair. But look at this. Oh my freaking goodness. That was over 1,000 pips. Oh, it didn't show up. Hold on. I love playing with y'all. Anyway, join the group. We're more than happy to have you on board. The price is $2.99. What you're going to get is you're going to get our trading system, the one I'm showing you here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful thing. Oh, that was just beautiful. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. And even the short one, see? Even the short one, how many pips was that? That was 527 on that short run. Then back down, let's see. That had to be over 1,000 pips. Yep, 1,118 pips. Okay, so anyway, this is what we do. We take our trades, we relax, we wait, and let everything play out accordingly. So you will get our trading system. It's $2.99. We give you a secondary trading system. We give you access to our trading group, and there's some things I'm working on for my team that's going to wow them. I haven't even told them about it. So if you decide to join, you'll be coming in at the right time so that you'll be able to take advantage of the opportunities that we present to our group. Again, once you learn this, teach it to your kids. Okay, this is super easy Forex for a reason. Okay, it's not complicated, it's not rocket science. You jump in when you see this, the lineup, and there are a couple other additional indicators besides these two on the other setup. I only show these just so you guys can kind of get a taste of it, but nevertheless, we do use others to confirm what we do, but nevertheless, it'll be easy. You'll be able to learn this in an hour or two. Pretty much, you actually almost know exactly what to do, even with this. If I didn't show you anything else, and you just had the triple arrows, you already know exactly how to trade going forward. So anyway, $2.99, join. We'll be happy to have you, okay? Our new website will be ready shortly, but in the meantime, just shoot me an email to superez, two letters, super, the letter E, the letter Z, superezforex at gmail.com. superezforex@gmail.com. All right. I'll be glad to have you, and I'll be mentoring you and working with you and helping you become a successful trader. All right. Have a good night, everybody. And this is February 5th. And the reason why I'm telling you the date, I did post this one in my group. See, 448. See, it was just at 445. I do post some of these pictures. I'm actually in other trades, but 2 or 3 is more than enough. I don't have to prove myself to everybody. The point is I'm just showing the results you can get using a simple system. You can see this with your own eyes. But the reason why I gave you guys the date just now is because somebody gonna come back a little while later and say, nah, that brother, he wasn't real. So I'm telling you the actual date. It's February 5th, 2019. You can go back on your own charts and spot these trades for yourself and see, okay, yeah, you know what, he was right. He was right. Because here's the deal, and I'll say this last piece and let y'all go. The point is that I got conned a lot of times myself, where people were showing me results and showing me charts and this and that. But I didn't realize, hey, you can screenshot that crap from anywhere and then post it as if you took the trade after everything was said and gone. And then number 2, I don't see no dates. I don't know when you took it. So that's the reason why I take my trades when the charts are actually moving. So see, you can actually see it moving for yourself. Remember, this was up 79 pips or 77. Now it's back to 74. See, I'm doing this so you can see we're literally in the live trade. See, 74.5, 74.6, 74.7. See, it's moving. That lets you know this is a live trade. This is not no bull crap. I don't play around like that. I don't play with people like that because they did me like that. I didn't like that. So anyway, have a good night, everybody. February 5th, 2019. We're in several good trades, and be more than happy to have you. All right, bye.